Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips to win on rounds. Lesson 4. Check the price and cost and margin analysis. Price and cost and margin analysis. Price, cost and margin analysis. I show you the detail now. So for example, you look at the round 1, we set the update R&D, increase performance, reduce size, and now we set decision for the price. Pricing is very important because it affects immediately the sales, the revenues, right? So we look at here, we get the price, but where the price come from? The price come from here. Traditional, low end, high end, performance inside the 5 segments. You can also create an Excel file like this to keep track of the price for each round. But first, you look at the report to analyze the price of competitors. So look at this, we see the price range here. For traditional segment, the first segment, you see the first segment here. The price from 20 to 30, and then you see the top selling price here, 28. But the price not important for this one because price only 20%, so we can set the price close to 30. That's why we set the price. That's why we set the price 29.5. And for the low end, so you see low end different. Price the most important here. Price 50% of buying decision. So price most important. We need to keep the most competitive price. That's why you see the top selling product here and the price 21. That's why we set the price 20.5. And for the high-end segment here, right? And the price not important at all, only 9%. The price not important at all. So you look at this, you don't need to set the price 38. You can set the price close to 40. That's why we set the price 39.5. And for the performance segment here, right? The price range you see 35, but actually not so important. Only 19% of buying decisions. So we can set the price not only to 3, you can set close to the max, right? So 34.5 is okay. And for the size, we see that the price range here totally not important. So actually we don't need to set 33. We can set close to 34.5. Okay, so we see on screen here the price for 5 rounds, and then you can use this Excel file to calculate the price. Each round we reduce 50 cents to maintain the competitiveness, right? So you see that. Lesson 4, check the price, the cost, and the margin analysis. We can, if you want to look at the margin analysis, how can we see? We look at the decision and production here. We can see the cost, the price, and also you can see the contribution margin here. 32 to 22. That's why we can increase. We need to increase this to 10 as soon as possible to increase the contribution margin, and the other is okay, right? We can increase the automation of traditional to 8, low end to 10, the other to 6, but we do that after each round because each round we have the limit of the budget here. Okay, so that's lesson 4, price, cost, and margin analysis, right? If you have any question, you send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. You can check the other video for the free lesson from 1 to 15. And if you have the right strategy, you can see that you get very good sales and profit from round 4. We invest in round 1, 2, 3 for long-term strategy, and from round 4 we can get the top sale and top profit like you see on the screen, and top stock price much higher than all the competitors. And then you can learn a lot of things when you win the game. You can also get the support for 8 rounds and Q&A for any question. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.